Today, we're talking about something super important, B2B versus B2C, through a simple story. Meet Annika. She works at a software company and sells tools to other businesses. She speaks with managers, negotiates deals, and builds long-term partnerships. That's B2B, business to business. Now meet Ravi. He works in the mobile retail space. He sells smartphones directly to individual customers, flash sales, quick replies, and cool branding. That's B2C, business to consumer. Both Annika and Ravi are in sales, but their approach is different. Annika focuses on logic, ROI, and relationship building because her clients are businesses. Ravi focuses on emotions, speed, and experience because his customers are everyday people. So, whether you're in B2B or B2C, remember, your strategy should always match your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'll see you in the next episode.